Hey, what's up everybody? So here is a tub that's been coated before, and I've got to sand down and remove all of the loose areas before I can go ahead and reglaze it. So I'm going to go ahead and start off by doing what I call a dry wipe and wipe everything up, get it all clean, expose any imperfections in the tub so that way I could see what direction I'm going to go as far as handling. So here, as I was cleaning, I could see that there was some drips or runs from the previous job. So I'm gonna have to sand those down with the orbital once I start feathering out the loose areas of the peeling bottom of the tub. So as I was cleaning it, I noticed that there was still some soap scum and some residue on the tub. So I'm gonna just run the water and take 120 grit sandpaper and literally just sand down the tub and remove any residue, sand down any drips or runs, just kind of get the tub completely clean before I bring out the orbital sander to start feathering out the bottom of the tub where the previous tenant used a bath mat. So now I'm just gonna basically dry everything up, get everything cleaned up for me to go ahead and use the orbital sander. 120 grit on the orbital, and I'll go ahead and get everything feathered out, smoothened out at the bottom before I spray primer. So as you can see, there's some pretty sharp and rough edges around that area where there was the mat. I'm gonna go ahead and take the orbital and sand everything down nice and smooth. I'll also take away some of the runs or drips that you could see on the interior side of the tub. I'll go ahead and knock those down with the orbital as well. So now that everything's smoothened out, we're gonna go ahead and tape and mask off the tub to get everything ready for primer. Primer coat is on, and now I'm starting with the first coat of the top coat, the gloss white. So we'll go ahead and put 2 to 3 coats on here for a nice high gloss finish. Then we'll quickly get the paper removed, and there you have it, a nice, fresh, reglazed bathtub. So thanks again for watching. If you're interested in more videos or more in-depth videos of the process, make sure to check out more on the YouTube channel.